Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. I recently came across an awesome TikTok video hack to clean the backside of your pots and pans. The video looked too good to be true, so I had to see for myself if this hack worked. I took my pan, flipped it over, and sprinkled baking soda and salt liberally all over it. Then I drizzled some Dawn dish soap, covered the pan with a paper towel, and poured distilled white vinegar all over. I let the solution sit for 5 minutes and checked the progress. Nothing happened. I let the solution sit for an additional hour, came back and checked, and literally nothing happened. Definitely too good to be true. Have you tried this hack and had it worked? Let me know in the comments below. I'm on the hunt for a miracle that actually does work.